Beatboxing involves using mouth, lips, tongue, and voice for drum sounds and rhythms. Step 1. Create the kick drum sound by saying B without vocalizing. Push air through your lips, saying B, B, B. This makes your kick drum. Step 2 involves making a hi-hat sound using TS, like shushing someone. Keep the hi-hat sound short and crisp. TS, TS, TS. Now, you have two essential beats, kick drum and hi-hat. Step 3. Produce a snare drum sound using PF with a strong air burst. Combine kick, hi-hat, and snare, BTS, PF, TS. These sounds create a simple beat pattern. Step 4 focuses on patterns and timing the sound like a real beatboxer. Maintain a steady tempo and mix sounds evenly. BTS, PF, TS. Experiment with doubling hi-hats or switching the order for unique rhythms. Step 5 involves adding personality with bass sounds or vocal scratches. Try humming while beatboxing or doing small vocal drops for creativity. Mimic beats from songs or create unique sound effects with practice. Practice, timing, and breath control are key to not straining your voice. Record yourself to track progress and refine your beatboxing skills. With consistent practice, you'll build unique rhythms and improve. Give this tutorial a thumbs up and subscribe for more beatboxing tips. Share your created beat pattern in the comments section below. Thanks for engaging, and keep practicing to enhance your beatboxing.